The following is the Communique. The Board of Trustees at its meeting today, Wednesday, 5th November 2025, extensively considered the recent developments in the party and resolves as follows. 1. Board of Trustees reaffirms that the PDP remains a united, formidable, and focused political party under the leadership of the Ambassador Iliya Damagum-led National Working Committee. 2. The Board of Trustees solidly stands with and commends the Ambassador Iliya Damagum-led National Working Committee, the PDP Governors Forum, the National Convention Organizing Committee, and other critical organs of the party for their collective roles in stabilizing our party, especially as we progress towards the conduct of the Elective National Convention scheduled to hold on the 15th and 16th of November 2025 in Ibadan, Oyo State Capital. 3. The board welcomes the ruling of the Oyo State High Court, presided over by Justice A.L. Akintola, which affirmed the constitutional right and liberty of our party to manage its internal affairs, including holding our 2025 Elective National Convention as scheduled. This landmark ruling, the BoT welcomes the ruling of the Oyo State High Court, presided over by Justice A.L. Akintola, which affirmed the constitutional right and liberty of our party to manage its internal affairs, including holding our 2025 Elective National Convention as scheduled. This landmark ruling is victory to democracy, rule of law, and political development in our country. 4. The BoT, however, expresses worry over the recent developments within our ranks that have caused understandable concerns. The tensions, misunderstandings, and regrettable incidents that have played out in public, including the invasion of our National Secretariat, are not reflective of the ideals and character of the People's Democratic Party. 5. As the conscience of the party, the BoT cannot and will not take sides, but remain focused on safeguarding the integrity of the PDP and ensuring dialogue over discord. The decision for reconciliation, not as a sign of weakness, but as a demonstration of maturity and responsibility. Against this backdrop, the Board of Trustees sets up a high-powered committee to immediately reconcile all conflicting sides and restore unity of purpose to our party as we head to the Elective National Convention in Ibadan. 7. The BoT Reconciliation Committee members are as follows. Ambassador Hassan Adamu, Northeast; Chief Mike Obiadome, South-South; Chief Ugochukwu Okeke, Southeast; Senator Zainab Kure, North Central; Prince Oyinlola Olagunsoye, Southwest; Dr. Lubna Mohammed Buzo, Northwest. The committee will be chaired by Ambassador Hassan Adamu, and the secretary will be Chief Mike Ogiadome. The BoT mandated the Reconciliation Committee to report back on it on Tuesday, 11th November 2025 for further action.